Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today is an exciting day because I'm gonna get some baking stuff to get my Jamaican Christmas cake together. So I'm planning to bake this weekend. So you know your girl have to go and get her stuff. So now that I'm in Vaughan, the good thing is that we found out that Dollarama opens until 10. So after work we can grab some stuff. So I'm just gonna go there and just grab like the one-time use baking tin. What them call them? The aluminum thing.
Worst person, yeah.
Yeah man, the one them you use one time for bake, because I'm not using a tin.
Yeah.
You understand? And then I'm gonna get my raisins. I'm gonna go to the LCBO and see if I can get my Jamaican rum. I'm gonna take you guys to a Jamaican store. It's very close to, we are always in that store, but we are gonna take you there today just to see what them have, if them have a little Jamaican stuff, and we just take you on that tour.
Which area is the store?
It's in North York, so it's like 10 minutes drive.
And that's in Toronto, yeah?
That's in Toronto North, right?
Guys, we're in the house and we're spinning. We just came from work, and you know, Rashi want to put on her tam. She wants to wear her tam. What is called a toque? She want to change our stuff, you know, if we go on the road.
What temperature it was? Today it was -10. How much is it now?
-4 now. It was -3, so get later maybe -4. And guys, we're rushing trying to catch Dollarama because it was showing 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. We thought it would close, and it's actually open until 10. So we're so happy guys that we can relax and get the chance to bring you guys along and show you what's happening
on our side. So no, just stay tuned.
Special thank you guys out there, you know, we really appreciate the
big up on yourself.
Yeah man, trust me man, we're glad you guys love the tree. You know Rashi went all out with our stuff, our decoration.
Guys, the decor not finished yet, you know.
Yeah, you're run late still guys. The decor
not finished yet.
She run late, she a late bug.
No, but you know that, you know like a Jamaican thing. But
work on everything together guys. It's really tough. And in the winter season, those who are in Canada, I want you to drop a comment and tell me if you agree. Winter season you start feel tired.
Oh God, this
like when you leave work, it's like you're low energy in the mood for making a video or go on the road and get stuff. So I think it's twice as difficult in the winter to move around. You just feel sleepy.
True.
But yeah man, it's sleepy. So for those who are away and not here, that's just a thumbs up or heads up, something you can think about when you come here going to feel sleepy in the winter time. Especially have your assignments to do and so on. Yeah, that can be something that retard your progress. You have to just try and fight it. Alright,
so this excited. Too much of
no, I'm not reason to say.
Who excited about Christmas? Well, what is Christmas without a Christmas cake? So let us see what we can get here in Ontario. What is here? Let us see what is here to bake the cake.
Good to go.
Alright,
let's
guys.
take it outside. You know, run gonna away, man. You go walk. You're in Canada how long now? So, guys, hey, Rashi, come up. Guys, Rashi, run, gone, leave me. So this is the thing that, you know, these are the things we have to put up with. Because she don't dress properly for the cold and now she's running. So anyway guys, this is a nice area. Let me just give you guys a quick peek of what's happening. We have everything in this area. We're in Vaughan, close by to Toronto. So let's say 15 minutes, 10 minutes outside of Toronto. You got your Marshall store and you have your Dollarama there. You know, everybody wants to go to Dollarama. And you have some nice restaurants lined off, and we're gonna take you on a tour one of these times. We're gonna visit some restaurants and show you guys what it's like. And you have the big theater there, the Cineplex, right? That's a nice little movie spot here. Guys, the place freezing temperature guys. And your boy just in a hoodie. So I would say we're getting somewhat climatized. I don't know why Rashi running up and down, but it's a good feeling. Rashi preparing for Christmas. Of course, you know, baking in the house. That kind of sets the mood, right? Cooking and baking, etc. Alright guys, so we caught the famous one here. So who gonna eat all those cake?
You agreed on 6, right?
Yeah, you have to give away at least a few.
What's a few?
Maybe 2 or 3.
And leave 4.
Guys, this is a lady that said that she wanted to lose weight.
New Year resolution.
Huh?
New Year resolution.
Yeah, man. You're full of disclaimer and excuse. Oh, you get your trolley now?
You know, guys, who can agree? You see in my house, spoon, knife, like the butter knife, and fork, them have feet. They walk.
Yeah.
Between him and
Or
Jay.
maybe you just throw them away. Put it that way. Let's say you threw them away.
This is how much? $4.50.
Yeah, those look nice
bad.
though for the pack.
I don't really like black enough to eat with the old shoe.
Remember we came for?
This,
Remember what we came for?
of course.
Remember what we came for. And remember that we have 2 other stops.
Guys, I have to come to Dollarama for the dishwasher thing. This is the cheapest I've seen it.
How much?
$4 for this one. When you go to Walmart and so it's like $10, $12 and so on. This is the cheapest, so I'm gonna buy this and it does a great job, so I don't see why I should change it. How much in the pack?
Should show 20.
Yeah.
Alright, so not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad. Guys, we have like less than 40 minutes remaining. We have 2 other stops. We're gonna stop at the Jamaican grocery store and we're gonna stop at LCBO.
Right, and get some rum, Jamaican overproof rum. That's
Yeah, where's the car though?
all is that side.
Yeah, so guys, we're in a rush. Wifey got our stuff, right? But we're trying to get this done as quickly as possible, so come with us. All right, next stop is where we're going. LCBO. All right, so guys, we're heading into the famous LCBO. Here's where you get all your liquor, you know, anything that you want as it relates to where they say liquor and liqueur.
Yes.
You can get it in this store.
I'm gonna use the same fruit wine.
Yeah, we can't forget the name of that fruit wine.
Your destination is on the left.
Rum is over the other side, you know. No, I think it should be to the right. Yeah, even though this is not my store. We used to the one in Richmond Hill, but we should be able to find it easily. Yeah, I think it's over to this side. Look at this, guys. Campari. You see that? That's a specialty there. Magnum and Campari.
So bitter.
Who loves Campari? Drop a comment. Man, I need to buy a bottle of Campari. Rum should... Excuse me, sir, where can we find rum? Oh, so it's at the front.
Oh, they actually have it. Yay, it's here.
What's that?
Remember last year we put it.
Oh, thank you very much. Look at that, guys. So that's the whites there. You don't need nothing more than a small bottle. No? Yeah, not more than a small bottle. $21 there, not bad. You will need the red label.
Cup, but I can use that too.
Excuse me, you have the red label wine? Red label wine. It's like a red label wine. People...
Red label wine?
Yeah.
I don't believe we do.
It's usually in LCBO, but it's hard to get during Christmas time.
Yeah, I've heard that we've been having trouble getting it.
I forgot about the cupcake.
Yeah. You're not worried. Last year was worried, eh?
Not worried after if you have the
Because
rum.
we'll find an alternative, guys. Cupcake.
Yeah. All the way out in the middle of nowhere that has it.
Guys, you heard that? Alright, thank you so much. So it's in no LCBO close
Not at the
by.
moment.
Thank you.
Alright, guys. So luckily we found alternative last year, which is a cupcake. They're out of red label wine.
Only must just check the Jamaican store first to see if they have fruit wine because we can use that.
But me just still buy the cupcake.
Buy both.
Yeah,
Can
because
let's
it's
come
like
back here,
$10
so.
for the cupcake. Me not sure. You want to check out the fruit wine? Alright then, let's go. Or maybe you could ask him then where's the cupcake in the meantime. No? When you have a second, there is one called a cupcake. There's a wine called a cupcake or something like that.
Cupcake. It's a fruit wine.
It's a fruit wine as well. It can be used as for an alternative for the red label. Cupcake. I think it's K. It starts with a K. Red label. It's like a wine, a fruit wine. Cupcake. K-O.
It's a
You
red
remember
wine.
it?
Yeah, it's like a.
It's sweet.
Yeah, you know, people say all the Jamaicans they know.
Yeah, Jamaicans ask for it, so that's it. If Jamaicans ask for it, that's it.
Yeah.
Because we use it as an alternative
Yeah.
for the
Okay, we don't have exactly the one you are looking for, but they are taking those ones here. This one, which is more or less like the red label. The one you, or this one here, this is Scotch.
It's fun.
Scotch.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you don't have the cupcake because we
No.
tried that one before and it's good.
I know, but we don't have it right now.
Oh, it's out of stock.
Yeah.
Somebody found it.
Whoa.
How you know about that?
Oh, I know because since last year I've been here. I was going crazy looking for those wines after I learned. You know.
Okay, you know Jamaicans looking for it.
Exactly.
All right, guys, you heard that the Jamaicans came here and they bought all the red label and the cupcake.
I wonder if them see my video and buy it out.
But so much persons don't watch your vlog.
So you want to try that? Instead
No.
of try the fruit
We're
wine?
gonna try the Jamaican
Store, see what they
Yeah.
have. Alright, so guys, let's go. We're gonna cash out the overproof room. And let's get to the Jamaican store.
You have a few minutes to go,
How much minutes am I?
maybe 15 minutes to go.
So we're heading to North York. Hopefully
Turn
we'll
left on
catch the
Highway 7,
store
Newark Regional Road
because
7.
we're set to arrive at the same time the store will close.
You know, you have a resident, tough driver,
So
Continue on Newark Regional Road 7 for 4 kilometers.
no skin teeth driver.
oh
Here.
my, we're so late. Work really halfway away, so
We're trying to catch everything in a complete vlog, guys. We don't like breaking the vlog and continuing the other day. So that's why we're really trying to get it done today. And then if you don't get it done today, you put it off to tomorrow, and then easily a few days, 5, 6, 7, 8 days catch you and you don't come and represent. And your girl Rashi said that she's gonna deliver. So that's what we're trying to do. Instead of waiting 7 days before we post another vlog, right?
right.
So we're trying to stay current, guys, and actually take you guys along with stuff that we're doing, you know.
So guys, have you baked any cake yourself, or everybody gone buy Auntie Dana cake? Like what's up? Like who you buy cake from? And so because I don't know like a resident baker, well me just say me the resident baker, so I could just see how that go.
Young persons who sell Jamaica Christmas cake I was in a group that's in Lambton group, Lambton College group, and there's a gentleman there who sells cake. He bakes
No, like
them and
for
sells
me
them.
personally, if I taste the cake before I buy it, well, you better have sample because I'm not gonna buy a pound or 2 pound or 3 pound of
$50,
cake.
buy a cake
what
for
is
50,
bulla.
60, $70.
Because
and
some
it's bulla.
people them cake a bulla and then them wet it up with rum.
Guys, you see that snow on the ground? We just got some snow the other day, you know. Yeah man, snow there at the place.
So guys, we're reaching to Toronto. We have
The road, guys, the road, you know.
6 minutes left for the store to close. So
We're gonna arrive in around 2
ooh,
minutes.
yeah, I guess.
So we just want to run in, guys, grab some stuff, head out, and you know.
So guys,
rush
this
and go
is
and do our
Toronto
thing.
look. Like,
More built up,
yeah.
roads feel more, the environment feel more enclosed. You know, and you know you're going to see construction all over.
All over.
It's going to give you a New York feeling, you know. It's not going to look so clean and pretty. It's going to look like a city.
It's just some places still.
So we had Finch, guys. Finch and Kiel. We're at Finch and Kiel.
drive.
One of these turns, you know. One of these turns. Which one is it?
I don't see it as it. You have a next stoplight. You have to pass the stoplight.
Pass the stoplight. So you go guys.
You have to pass the Walmart to you.
In 500 meters, turn left.
Okay. Alright guys, so
Mrs.
catch us in the
GPS.
store guys. Catch us in the store. Catch us in the store. Yeah, it should be this turn. What a turn is that? No,
Caught on
not somewhere
camera.
here, so.
Here beside it, not here. The next one.
Oh, let me just see it now.
Take the next left, then your destination will be on the
Look at
left.
them lock up.
Close, man.
We too disgusting and come at the people in place late.
Your destination is on the left.
Let's have a look.
Why then I lock it door there? I get some bad face now. Yeah.
Guys, we're at the famous Danford and we're late because of Rashi. Just one item. One item.
Running to get the. Where you have the razor? Huh? You literally close? Oh lordy. I'm just find out the my food.
We just came for one item though. You have a fruit wine?
She not that bad.
No, but she's not cashing. No. But we're saying you have a fruit wine, just one
Make it
item.
another day. We were just trying to.
Guys, we're heading into Walmart. No. Heading into Walmart. Place is cool. So guys, them turn off the lights on us. Make we know so we're late.
Yes. They know say the Jamaican in India hold them composure. But this particular person, she
Chinese
can't-
looking lady.
Don't call her race.
Listen man, Asian
Lady,
looking lady
turn
started
off
to give
the
us
light.
attitude.
Yeah.
And we happen we are saying
Yeah, she'll turn off the lights. Run a little joke with her, you know, just to make the place not feel so uncomfortable.
don't worry that late. We're like 3 minutes out, 3 minutes to
Lady want
closing
go home,
time.
the lady I gave her the attitude. We too enough.
Yeah, we might be going back tomorrow, but it might not make any sense.
It
too.
don't make no sense because the guy says they don't have. The guy said they don't have any fruit wine there.
Everything
Him
gone.
say
from-
everything gone basically from October. Said catch me again.
Yeah.
Him said basically him asked somebody to carry it from US.
That's the red label wine?
the red label wine.
Alright, so we're getting now, we're just getting the razor and that's it?
Just a raisin. I can go pass it around here. So I have a pack of raisin at home. So this is enough. I'm gonna take a pack of the prunes and a pack of the raisin. So I'm gonna have 2 pack of raisins. Cause what I really do, I blend out mine.
Some person soak the raisin, right? No?
Yeah, but I don't have time for that. It's the best way though. But what I do, I heat my like the fruit wine and blend it. I blend it first and then put it in there and let it marinate, let it warm.
So why it's so
Cover
early
it.
then? Why we shop so early and we're not baking now? Why
Baking
you-
weekend.
Oh, you're baking weekend.
Yeah.
But that's not way before time, no?
Not really. And sometimes the cake is even nicer when you have it rum it like a week before. So you can have it covered and add rum.
Okay.
Yeah, it's soak
Sounds
and
good.
marinate, you know?
So that's it?
Yeah, that's it. So,
Alright guys, you never get a red label.
yeah, but we think we're going to go back to the LCBO, maybe in Richmond Hill and try and get the cup key. Maybe I shouldn't say it in case somebody first me and go and get it. But by the time I see this video, I'll be there before. So I'll get it. Guys, I'm going to close the vlog here. And just tell me what you're baking and if you're baking this Christmas. And you know, so we have other surprise coming. So who I say Russia eat when I go see Russia do it. And come down
Stop the
nice
talking and do
I
it,
don't
man.
care
Stop
what
the
you wanna
talking and
say.
do it.
I'm gonna go on my diet and I'm gonna come right down. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And
It's been a while since you said that.
yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and leave your comment in the comment section and make Rashi know say you're there. Big up on yourself, Rashi and Wally vlog. Or Rashi and Wally gang. Big up on
Gang?
yourself. Yes.
2 can be a gang or a 3. Guys, big up on yourself, alright? We're out. Wifey just says she forget her flour, so I don't know how she gonna bake without flour. How you gonna bake without flour?
Flour at home, but
A special type of flour though?
No,
Any
I
flour?
use the regular one.
Lord God, we have to buy a big flour?
Yeah, because it's gonna serve.
Holy camera.
Yeah, man,
Guys,
lift
me
it
a
up.
struggle.
That's not heavy. How much pound that? 10 kilogram. So you want to close it now, Jeremy?
Anyway,
Where's
guys,
it?
we're outside. Wifey done close the vlog already. Big up on yourself and thank you guys for always tuning in. We love your support. We appreciate it. And we just want you guys to always log on. And also, please turn on your
Post notification
bell, right? Very important so you can get the vlogs as soon as you drop them. And also, stop pressing the like button twice. You need to press it once. If you press it twice, that means you're unlike. Once you press the like button and you realize that it becomes shaded with a dark or whichever color, that means you already liked. You don't have to press it again, alright? Because sometimes you see the like is at maybe let's say 63 or 98 and you see it drop to like 95, or if it was at 63 it dropped to like 57.
I guess you should appeal to YouTube to allow multiple likes. That would be wonderful.
Yeah. Oh, for one person to be able to like it like
right.
10 times.
Yeah.
Yeah, man,
Alright,
guys. So big up
so
on
we'll
yourself
see
and you realize the Rashi haven't delivered as yet. House decoration.
I did the tree, but the overall look, I don't know, say girl have to drop her hand real good. So I just stay tuned for that.
Alright guys, we're out.
Okay, bye.